Hello everybody and welcome to this new Sunday cooking class.
Hi, this is Ainhoa.
This is Fran. And first things first, to our American friends, happy Thanksgiving. I hope you have had a wonderful long weekend. Here we don't celebrate Thanksgiving, but as we have said in our Facebook page, one of the great thankful things that we have, it's all of you watching all of these cooking classes. For us, it's incredible that people from around the world who we don't know joins us every Sunday. So thank you for being with us. And with that said, strangely enough, this Sunday we are home alone. Nobody's coming for dinner. There's just two of us. Miracle.
So we are going to make like kind of a salad that we are going to serve in one of not Christmas, but in between we have so many dinners.
Because normal people, you have New Year's Eve, Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, New Year's Eve, New Year's Day. That's it. Not in this family.
No.
Here we have Christmas Eve, Christmas Day. On the 26th,
we have a lunch.
we have a lunch.
No, we have a dinner. We have a dinner.
We have a dinner. On the 28th, we're going to have also...
Something.
your mom's 80th birthday. We're celebrating... No, on the 3rd, we have like 1,000. So one of the things we're going to be doing is this salad. It's very fresh. It is very simple. So, shall we?
Thank God. Okay, so let's go.
Let's go, babos. Let's start cooking. Well, cooking. Ensembling. So, yes, that's what we are going to be doing today. A very easy salad. Let me turn the camera around. Who do I have here? Yay! Christmas has arrived in this house. Yay! Our Christmas decorations are already here. So we have our two angels. Okay. And let me show you what you are going to need. It is colorful, full of colors. We're going to have mango. We are going to have avocado. By the way, Spanish mangoes are amazing. And you are going to need some langostinos, shrimp, okay? They're boiled, they're prepared, they're cleaned. And then for the dressing, we're going to need some good olive oil. You're going to need balsamic vinegar, a little bit of maple syrup, very good salt from the Balearic Islands, from Mallorca, and some traditional mustard. So,
Let's go. Let me get my apron just in case.
just in case, apron.
Apron.
Okay.
And what are we going to do is
We're going to show you how we plate it, or how we put it on a plate. But first of all, let's do the dressing.
first of all the dressing. So what you're going to need.
By the way, this is going to be our dinner for tonight.
Yeah. Like 1, 2,
And 4 tablespoons. Oh,
because if
it's just the two of us.
yeah, but if I need more, then I can save it.
Vinegar, 1 tablespoon,
And I have.
2 tablespoons.
Yeah, I love vinegar.
I know.
You know, you have suffered it. And then I would say
1 tablespoon of maple syrup.
right.
And you don't know what to do with that spoon?
No, but doesn't matter. Some mostaza de bolitas.
Most, the old style mustard.
Yeah, old style mustard.
Okay, hold let me zoom in.
In fact, it's
It is just, with the seeds and the whole thing.
it's Dijon mustard, old
style.
fashioned, old style, and then some Mediterranean salt from Mallorca. Yay!
Mallorca. So this salt, it is from Mallorca. It is natural salt. Okay, let us show it. can I? No. Can I have a?
No, you want the whole thing.
Yes. Is flor de sal de strength. Okay. So meanwhile, Ainhoa stirs all of that. Take your time because I'm going to use this time to talk about the Mediterranean tour. For this year, next year, 2026, I'm already sold out, so I'm fully booked. But for 2027, I'm gonna do it again. I am so thrilled about this tour. It's really amazing. We are going to start in Valencia, okay, in the Mediterranean, beautiful, and then we're gonna fly from Valencia to Menorca. In Menorca, which is one of the Balearic Islands in the middle of the Mediterranean. It is a slow down, it's a mellow, beautiful island, incredible nature, incredible food. We have a very ancient culture called Talaiotic, amazing. And then we're gonna fly to Mallorca. Mallorca, the capital, Palma de Mallorca, it's a breathtaking town, full of energy, vibe. But then you go to the ocean and you walk on the beach, and then you go to a beautiful viewpoint. People like Chopin, the piano, Polish, he came to Mallorca to take care of his health. Okay, he composed a lot of it. He got inspired. That is how beautiful it is to inspire somebody like Chopin. So if you want to learn about the tour, the Mediterranean tour, give me a call, send me a WhatsApp. That will be for 2027. I know thinking about 2027 is far. I'll keep you posted, okay? But think about it. Are we ready?
Yeah, we are.
Okay, so we have the dressing already dressed and started. And now what we are going to do.
Okay, so we'll start with the avocado.
Okay, so what we do is you put a circle so you can have it easier, okay? But you can do it without looking this good, but we just like to make it.
You don't need it, but it looks better. And it's
So-
always important to eat with your eyes.
Food is very important. So one of the things that I like about this, because the avocados are very good, they're from Spain as well, but the salt is from Mallorca, and the mangoes
The mangoes are amazing.
are amazing. They're also from the Mediterranean, the Spanish Mediterranean. We have a very important production of mango over here.
So you put your avocado first, then bye. Tell me,
Too big.
it's too big. And then second layer of mango.
And you top it. You have to press it a little bit, okay?
Yeah,
you
you
see,
have
I
to
know that
press
it's
it.
pressing it. So you need to press it. Okay, look at the colors. And it's like, what do you think about our Christmas plates? Aren't they cute?
They're super cute.
Okay, and then you just top it with boiled. I mean, you can roast them, but these are just boiled. Easy.
Like it's 4, depends on the size of the.
Okay, and now it's when. Let's see if. Oh, I don't know if you see. Look at that! Ooh-ha! It looks beautiful. And now you top it with the dressing.
With the dressing is rather thick. So, yeah. So what do you do? Come and.
Okay, let me.
I know it's going to be
zoom
quite a lot, but
in.
it's fine.
Look at that. Okay,
That's it.
and that is it.
That is it.
That's our dinner for tonight.
Perfect.
So, everybody, as you can see, we always cook. We love cooking very easy food. Today, it's one of those days. Super easy food. You just need to have the ingredients at home. And everybody, as we have started this Sunday cooking class, thanking you all. Thanks again for being here. We love you all. And we hopefully shall see you next week. We are already starting our Christmas cooking season. So from now on, we're going to do a lot of things that we're going to be preparing for Christmas Eve, for New Year's. So we are going to be cooking all of the other things that we're going to be doing at home for the holiday season. See?
Okay.
We love you guys.
Take care.
Thank you.
Send us
Bye-bye.
pictures.
See ya.